There are many empowering rituals that celebrate the full moon, a time when the moon shines brightest, and our energies align with its power. Mick Blake, an astrologer and intuitive tarot reader from Texas, suggests engaging in water related activities such as swimming or taking a cleansing bath, and creating moon water to charge objects with lunar energy. Reading tarot during this phase can provide insights into personal goals and revelations, while charging crystals under the moonlight can enhance their properties based on the current zodiac sign. Additionally, journaling or meditating can help reflect on gratitude and goals, and writing a list of what to release and burning it can serve as a powerful cleansing ritual. Lastly, using candles aligned with your intentions can enhance your focus during this transformative time.